Do you know that after designing something like this, you can also add more functions to it? Like you can edit it as a photo to give it, to enhance the quality and give the design more, to make the design more nice. So something like this is the before and here is my after of this same design. You can see now it's now like the background is like the design is from the background, is written on the wall, stuff like that. So that's what we want to do today. Here's the app I'll be using, which is called Snapseed. It's used to enhance the quality of an image. So this is the image. So here I have some presets around here. This portrait, this smooth pop, and lest I forget, Snapseed is a free tool that you can get on Google, Play Store, so you can download it for free. So you have this is some of the presets that you can apply and you can save them. So you can see this is so nice, guys. So but I want to do a manual touch on this, so I'll cancel this. So I'll come to this pencil like icon and I'll come to my tune image. So when you tap on the screen and you drag your ends and you move your ends up, so you have so you can work on things like this. So I'll first come to my brightness here. Come to my brightness. Can I work on contrast? It's not really affected here. Okay, a bit. I work on my saturation. So I'm okay with this. I'm not too okay with this one. I'll come to my, you can come to your detail, your curve, or rather you can come to this grunge effect. So you tap on it. So it's having this kind of texture at the background. So, and we can just work on it. This is style. Let's do the style to, it's too heavy, so we'll do something like this. The style is too heavy. The texture strength. Okay, I'll work on the style again. So I think it's okay now. I come back to my tune image here, so I can work on the contrast. The saturation. A bit. So I keep working on it. I can come to my curve here. I don't really like to use this at times. Okay, let me click here and work on red. So I have more red in this design. And I'm okay. So when I tap anywhere around outside this work interface, I can see my before and here is my after. So you can just work more on it to enhance your image quality. So that's all about it, guys. Just give this video a thumbs up if it's really worth it, and If you are new, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and smash the notification bell, and drop your comments how you feel about this video. So see you guys next week Friday. Bye.